What's up, guys? I have an ATV cover here that a company reached out to me and wanted to send to me to try out. The name of the company that I'm communicating with will be up here on the screen right here. The name of the cover is that. I believe you can get this on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. This is the ATV cover. I believe this is an XL or an double XL, but it comes in this vacuum packed packaging here. I haven't even opened it yet, so this is going to be like first impression kind of thing. So we're just going to open it up and take a look at it. Looks like it has its own cover, or its own case here. Get it out of the case. Get it unwrapped here. I'm going to get this put on the quad, and then we'll go over this cover and see what it looks like. Alright, there it is. My quad's pretty small. I believe these covers are for like utility quads and stuff, but it fits perfect. It's got straps. You can strap it through the tires or whatever and keep it more secure. It's got these reflective handles. So here's a little closer look of the cover that I just put on my quad. It is double stitched, so it's waterproof for the most part. Haven't really tested that out yet. We'll leave it outside in the rain, or maybe even try it with the power washer. I don't know. But covers are nice for if you're camping and you got your four-wheelers with you or something like that, or you're at a hotel and it's in the back of your truck and it's gonna rain. Throw a cover on it real quick, and that way you can ride the next day without a wet four-wheeler. So that's all there is to it. Not really much complicated about a cover for your ATV. It's not bulky, it's lightweight, and seems durable. It's not like a tarp where it's heavy and will collect rain. I believe this material here is breathable, so it's not gonna hold water on the inside. You know, like some get like condensation build up in there. You might get a little bit, but we can we'll do some further testing on that in some other videos. Maybe after I leave it in storage for a little bit and see if there's any condensation underneath it. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing back in the bag. See how easy it is. Alright guys, so when you click on the link in the description, this is where it's going to take you. This is the exact same cover that I have. It's $36.99 on Amazon. Let's look at some features here. Here's some dimensions. It's 38 inches by 86 and looks like 42 inches high. That's for the double XL. They also have a triple XL. It goes a little bit bigger, 100 inches long. So that's a pretty big, probably utility vehicle or utility ATV there. But it's got the handles here. Shows that it's waterproof, snow protection. Yeah, it looks like you can even protect it from the leaves. Cool. Blocks it from sun fading. So you know, you get your plastics, especially my blue plastics. If I were to leave that out in the sun, that would fade so fast. but mostly I keep it in the garage. But I can use this cover to keep it dust off it also. Waterproof fabric, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna roll over here real quick. Oh yeah, they do also have camouflage. If you're looking for something a little cheaper though, if you just go over here to this XXL, it's 20 bucks. It just doesn't have the handles on it, and I don't think it's as a thick of material, but it still says it's waterproof, so I don't know, so you maybe might try that one out. If not, the one that I have I think works great for the money. But this is the company that makes it. This is their website. This is they got all kinds of different ones on here. Here's one for side-by-sides, lawnmowers, electric scooter for grandpa. I'll go over to their Amazon page, scroll to the top. Here's the motorcycle one. It's pretty inexpensive. All got really good ratings. Yep, here we go. Cover for the scooter. Push mower. And here's the side-by-side one. I want to just click on this real quick. Here is a list of all the side-by-sides this one covers. If anybody's interested, I can throw a link in there in the description. It'll bring you to this one. Bunch of different side-by-sides. All new stuff too. All the way up to 2020 looks like. So yeah, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, maybe hit that like button. If not, subscribe for future videos. We got a lot of off-road content on this channel, and subscribe for what's coming next. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time.